What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Facebook Marketplace flip. This time we had two different deals to make this PC. We got some non-working motherboard system, which is this one right here, and we grabbed a $60 case and we turned it into this. I hope you guys enjoy. So we got this whole parts lot with the motherboard, power supply, a bunch of extra fans for $100. We ended up getting the case for $60, which, yeah, it's a huge case, but it's a fractal and it's really clean. All the hardware was still in it, unopened, sealed, so I think we got a pretty good deal on that. The guy I got this case from said it was brand new, never used. He got it and ended up wanting something smaller, which I can totally understand. But it wasn't in the box. It looked kind of dusty and the glass was super dirty, so I don't know how true that was, but it's still a great buy for $60. Like I said, all the hardware was still in the box, screws, everything. When we got the motherboard back to the house, I was kind of afraid to open the box because I could hear stuff rattling around. The processor was actually just rattling around in the box, no protection or anything, so that was kind of scary. But we got it on the test bench, tested it, and luckily everything worked still. Surprisingly, everything worked still. So the system is going to have the Intel i5 7700K, which apparently I have like 2 or 3 of them now. The cooler is the Corsair, I have no idea. It's got a single fan radiator on it. But it works, keeps temps down really well. And as you can see, I need more space. Stuff's starting to flow over to the bed, and these dogs are 100% useless. They don't even help. Now, the one reason I hate using Corsair RGB fans is a stupid controller. Stop doing it, Corsair. Let us use any controller we want. It's ridiculous. Come on. So right off rip, it boots up first try, goes to BIOS. But I'm not getting any LED lights or anything, and half the fans aren't working. So I'm clearly missing a power header somewhere. And then we found it, got the fans working, but there still is no ARGB. So this is why I hate those Corsair controllers. It was one little tiny plug that was missing. And yeah, we found it and got her going. So we finally got our master M2 SSD going, and we threw that in there and updated all the drivers and put it all back together as it was updating. Now we're just going to do a little wire management and get everything grouped together a little bit. That way we can get the case back together a little bit easier, and yeah, pops right back on. And I just wanted to talk really quick about the giveaway that's coming at 500 subs. Well, the series starts at 500 subs and the PC will be given away at 1500 subs. But what we're doing is we're going to poll different parts, and as a community we will decide what goes into this PC. Thanks, guys. And now that everything is updated, we're going to start benchmarking. Let's get it. So overall, I think the 1080 with the 7700K with the 32 gigs of RAM for just under $300 did really great. Would you guys put this together for $300? Let me know what you guys think in the comments.